This is Channel 1, a multilingual channel. Browse through the playlist for your preferred language or click on the I icon above for the Dutch audio. You're watching the cooking series. Good evening, I'm in the company of some friends here. We just had our dinner and we just cooked 3 dishes, but yet we thought of preparing Turon. It's a fried banana. Or think of it as banana lumpia. This is a special fried banana, not comparable to the Indonesian style, because this has the crust of, or the same crust as the croissant. It's flaky and it's crispy, and we'll demonstrate that to you. This is Grace, by the way, my neighbor in the garden. We just have to slice the banana in elegant, not elegant, but in decent sizes. In addition to the banana, we need this lumpia wrapper, which is available in most Asian groceries. And it's also available in different sizes. For this preparation, we suggest the medium size lumpia wrapper. And it is sold frozen, and before using it has to be microwaved at least for 30 seconds. This is the wrapper that we were just talking about. We just have to wrap the banana with this wrapper. Grace will demonstrate. Just roll the wrapper. Just roll it. In Spain, they also have Turon, but it's not the banana type. It's just like barquillos. And then we can use a second layer, if desired, to provide a more crispy layer. Someone is asking if we need brown sugar. No, this is sweet enough, and the banana becomes even sweeter when it cooks. But yes, we'll be using sugar later, at a later stage. This is the original audio is in Dutch, so there are extra conversations here that need not be translated. Just frying lumpia, we'll fry these turon in oil, deep enough to not to submerge, but at least half the height of the turon. Turn it once it becomes golden brown or light orange. And after that, we will be reusing the same oil for caramelizing the turon. Let's just add sugar to the boiling oil and have the sugar melt to the consistency or viscosity, that's a technical term, of lava. And look how the sugar changes in color from white to light orange. And once it becomes lava-like, we are ready to add the turons one by one. One by one, and be careful not to have the turons stick with one another. Provide some space, and with patience turn them one by one so that the molten sugar sticks to the outer layer of the turon. Do it in batches to provide more space in between the turons. And here is our Turon. Don't they look lovely? If you would like to see more of our cooking and gardening demonstration here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. We need your inspiration to make more films like this. And warm greetings from Eindhoven. This has been Romilo with Grace, my big Biscayana neighbor. Until next time. And as we say here in this province in Holland, houdoe.